I sit and wait. Does an angel contemplate my fate?
Boa.
And do they know the places where we go when we gray and old? 'Cause I have been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is there, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, like love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know that life won't break me when it comes to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.